there, Liesel here, and welcome back to VA Wonder. If you're a virtual assistant, entrepreneur, or creative using Canva, you're going to love this powerful new update. Canva now lets you add a new page with a different size, all within the same design. It's a simple click, but the impact, it's huge. Let me show you how it works. Open your design in Canva, go down to Add Page. On the right, there's this new down arrow button. Click on that. So now you have all these options, and now you can simply add something else. Say we want to make a video, click on to that, landscape video, and add. So now you can see here we've got our first square, and now we've got the different size at the bottom. You can now mix formats like Instagram posts, flyers, and business cards all in one file. Here's why this update is a game changer. Imagine working on a branding package. You can now keep your entire branding suite in one organized file. Page 1, your high resolution logo. Page 2, your branding kit. Page 3, the front of your business card. Page 4, the back of your business card. Page 5, your branded invoice. Page 6, your A4 flyer. And page 7, a sticker. To easily find your file, go to File and rename your file accordingly. And when you go again to your Canva homepage, you can either search for your branding package or you will see it as one of your recent designs. And there you can also see that it's a multi-design, meaning that there are multiple size pages in it. This new Canva update is especially useful for client presentations, branding packages, social media bundles, product launch kits, and it's perfect for virtual assistants, designers, and entrepreneurs who like streamlined workflows, like I do. So go ahead, test out this new Canva feature and let me know how you plan to use it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if this tip made your life easier. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.